Good luck, good luck. Wait, are we doing a burst in the beginning?
Yeah, we are.
Yeah,
Bind it
charge,
as soon as
Okay, okay, okay. Oh, fuck.
Okay, now we can focus on...
What? How did that laser hit me? Okay, so the hitbox of the laser is also bigger than it looks.
Yeah, everything is bigger than it looks. Like it's really
Yeah,
big.
I just found out the hard way. Oh.
Okay, so orange is almost blocked. Okay, blue is blocked. Okay, orange is blocked, blue is blocked.
I think there's two on the bottom left. Unless there's so.
Okay, green is blocked. So it's just purple that needs work.
I mean, it should be fine still.
Yeah, no, we'll be fine.
block it.
We can actually just chill if you guys want to.
Yeah, just stay alive.
Yeah.
It's more important probably.
No. This boss really does take a big, what you call it, damage reduction.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The final damage is pretty big actually. Okay, everything is blocked, guys. Everything is blocked. We can just chill. Cool, we can actually just stay up. We can stay up. We don't have to go down.
Okay. Yeah, all my buffs are coming up like right now. That's good.
We can start charging the main. I don't know if it's up actually.
Purple here?
Okay, we're gonna wait for the laser and then we're gonna bind afterwards. Okay, we can bind now.
Ooh.
Bind.
Sweet. A lot of life.
Sweet, good job guys. Good job. That's good enough.
Yeah, that was a good burst.
Yeah, we did that like 3 or 4 times more. Then we'll be fine.
Yeah, just need to stay alive.
Yeah, just stay alive.
Oh.
I saw that.
That was scary.
I saw that, bro.
Stressing me the fuck out. Trying to kill the slimes on the bottom floor. Okay, one more bottom left.
Okay, orange is blocked. Blue is gonna be blocked.
Blue needs one more.
Yep. Purple's blocked.
No gold slime here. Should kill that.
Okay, everything is blocked except green, I think.
Yeah, it's just there. Staying the fuck away. Okay, I will try to. I think I can do it via this one. Yeah,
Okay, as long as it
nice.
doesn't. Did we get green?
I don't remember.
No, as long as it doesn't go to
I don't
green,
know.
it's fine. No, it's fine.
Okay.
Oh shit, one person down to 2 lives.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, I'm just gonna start attacking. Oh, but
Yeah, like just really try to stay away. Like I had this problem as well.
Yeah,
Like,
then
just
we
try
don't
to
have
stay
to
under
damage
him as far away as possible.
We don't have to
Because
damage him
in
at all.
reality, you only need like 1 or 2 portals blocked, and you still should be fine with so many people.
I don't know. When I was like soloing, I just couldn't make time.
Yep, fine, Jacob. Thanks. Can we bind him? Bind him. Thank you.
You can only jump once. Every 2 seconds.
Ah, fuck. That was pretty decent.
No, that's good, I think.
Oh, I almost jumped in that laser then.
Wow.
First time I feel like I'm so powerless though. I'm hitting him, but it doesn't do much.
Nah, bro, this thing is fucking tanky. It's so tanky. Okay, purple's blocked, green's almost blocked.
Block and blue.
Green is fully
Okay,
blocked.
green's blocked. We just need red, so...
I'll try to block orange.
We just need one more on orange.
That's
Fuck out of the way.
We need one more blue as well.
Fuck me. Oh shit, that laser. I got it, the rest of the color?
Purple, green blocked, we just need blue blocked.
It's done.
Oh, everything is blocked. Okay, we can chill.
Okay.
Cool. We don't have to
Alright,
go
let's
anymore.
go.
Yeah, we don't, yeah.
Purple on me.
Yeah, I did. I mean, first death. That's way better than last few
No,
runs.
bro. Last time.
I was speeding,
Last time
dude,
was-
listen.
I think. No, last time wasn't good, man. No, last time was not good.
Yeah, and this time also I took risk to do more DPS after the bind because my burst was still up, so it was kind of high risk, high reward. But I died.
Okay, blue is blocked, orange is blocked.
Yeah, it's only level 2 still. Oh, gold slime here. Should kill those.
What does Ghost Slime do again? Does it like explode on you?
Oh, they give like 30% touch damage or something.
Oh wow.
Or even more. I don't know. They give by far the most touch damage. You should always kill them.
And this you have Showdown. Nice. Nice.
Okay, let's go. He's gone.
So
Like the
many-
dismissed ones also could kill you if you.
Do we have anything else not blocked? Or should
We
I
have purple
be-
not blocked, and we have green not. Oh, it's just purple. Purple just needs one.
Double purple?
I'll try to do purple now.
No, as
Oh,
long as
yeah,
the
we
red's
only have
fine.
purple.
No,
Yeah,
just
we need to block purple.
No, it's gonna be fine, I think.
You guys good with the blocking? Yeah, I'm terrible with the blocking.
No, I'm good. Don't worry, we got it.
I'll just stay up here ready to DPS.
Should be
I think
fine.
it's one more burst after this.
Yeah,
Yeah, cool.
not bad actually. I like that each of these tests exactly with the time of the burst. Really like big burst. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. What's the fire?
We don't have to play it greedy, we can play it chill. Don't be greedy.
Never think we should play for you.
I don't think we can get it. Yeah.
I mean, I still have 4 lives left. I'll just try to keep going as long as my burst lasts. Then let's see, right? If I die once, it doesn't matter that much.
Oh. Seems like
Keeps TPing away from me. Yeah, okay, my burst's over. I'll just play chill now.
what the fuck? I just healed and I just died. What the hell? I'm gonna stay there for a little bit.
Go for it, man. We will kill it in the next burst.
Yeah, even if we don't even have the segment. Well, I also died. Again by the red laser when I'm on the platform above. Like that's the one that killed me all the time last
Blue
round.
is blocked. Okay, orange is blocked.
Orange is fully blocked.
The orange is blocked, blue is blocked. Purple is gonna be blocked. The
What are you
purple's
supposed to
blocked.
do to me?
Okay, as long as it's not purple, right? Everything above is blocked, as far as I know.
I don't even think we should care.
No, man.
Even if it doesn't go into the purple. Even if it goes in the purple one and we fail, it's kind of like we will just bind and burst it, right? Like.
That's how it's playing.
Okay guys, good luck on the ring drops.
You get a roll first.
We get the box, so we can swap out here.
I think I'll put it.
Nice.